Now we've got the skidder stuck. It's that bad down in here.
Hey guys, Kapper here, and welcome back. You can see we got some geese on the pond today, but welcome to part 2 of this Living the Dream video. So this is my friend Mark, who we actually helped inspire them to basically replicate what we have down here in Illinois. So they built a really nice house and he's got a beautiful property, but he has far surpassed me in his land management. So this is part 2 of the tour. If you missed part 1, I'll put a link in the description below. But let's see some of the fantastic work he's done on his property down here in Southern Illinois. You won't be disappointed because he's done just some fabulous, fabulous work. So let's take a look and get some fresh air. Thanks.
Stop erosion and alfalfa. Roundup ready alfalfa.
So was this area logged or no?
It was just logged on the trail, and this whole area was opened up for a food plot. There was nothing here before besides woods.
Okay, so this is a little clear cut.
Yep. And the stands all the way across over there. You might see the board of the tree.
Nice. Yeah, I can envision a bunch of these on our Kentucky farm. Bunch of new plots, make it lay out even bigger yet.
Yep. So I've got 2 6-foot 36-inch culverts here.
I don't know, this doesn't look like the spot.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Because there's only one culvert and it was washed out bad.
Yeah, okay, that might have been going the other direction. Yeah, that's why I didn't recognize it. All right, blind washouts. This is it, boy. I hit one, almost tipped. I think I could crawl it out. Let me show you that backside, but just look at here. This is a straight down. There's a culvert right here. And it's, 10 feet straight down. And so I was backing up for this, and I figured, once I get on good ground, I was good, and I didn't see another washout right here. Yeah, this is where I almost flipped that sucker. Well, that's nice that you extended it.
Not anymore.
No, nice. That's really cool. Yeah, even the roads are they're way improved from when I went riding them, whatever, last year.
I had him take the dozer down through here and level it out, and I just maintain it. That's the secret, to maintain it.
I don't remember if you had Curtis put something here, or if I was just mowing it, or what the deal was with this.
I think just mowing it at that time.
Okay.
But now I've got, I had the dozer go down through here and open up some area for me. And I'll put this in clover this fall. And there's another stand right down here, but that goes down to the silo.
Okay. My wife loves that silo, that's for sure.
Oh, that's pretty. Anytime she wants to come down and get some of those pieces of it, she's welcome to.
I'll let her know that.
This is a new trail.
Yeah, I know. I don't remember this one at all.
No. I just had the logger put this in for me. I got trails going everywhere now because I just think it improves your property dramatically.
Yep.
And that annual clover is getting plenty of sun, and got alfalfa in here too. And the stands right there.
Oh yeah, there's a strap on that tree.
Yep.
Wow, beautiful.
This is alfalfa. We'll patch up right here. All the rest of this will be oats in the fall.
How many plots you got total?
Oh gosh, I don't know. 20. 20. 20.
You guys thought I was fanatical with like 10 food plots. Way to go, Mark. Now I've got food plot envy. Now I'm going to be making some more clearings in the woods at my property. Nice. cut you, and it sounded like on the older models. Mine used to do that. Ours, we still have our electric, and it doesn't do it.
Yep.
But it's the linkage. It's just a tiny bit off, and it's popping out of gear is what it's doing.
Yep. Here's your water hole.
Oh, nice.
It's down a little bit.
Beautiful.
He's taunting me. He's taunting me. That's old Kapper for you.
I remember this plot. Yeah, I remember your favorite neighbor dog used to be out here with us at this plot. I think I got some drone footage of Curtis mowing this.
Yes, you do.
Puppy dog's barking at the drone.
There's the stand.
Yeah, and the river's right there behind it.
Right
Yep.
behind the stand.
Oh, beautiful. Anyways, like I was saying, a lot of guys don't think about making like 1 or 2 extra plots that you don't ever hunt and don't mess with.
Yep.
Overflow plots.
We just never hunt this one. We don't want to bump them. Make them feel secure.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I remember that.
Yep.
All right, I'm building a bonus watering hole. This guy has a road right here, and there was a low spot holding water, and there's a culvert right over here.
Worked out beautifully.
You said you've seen deer drinking out of it?
All the time when I'm sitting up here in my honey locust tree.
All right, nice.
And then I've got a little strip that goes. It's that frigid forage plow down clover that I'll be doing a fall food plot in afterwards.
I think this was just all
It's
thick
just
grass.
It's
you
just
know,
grass.
Last time when I was out
Oh
here.
yeah. No, they come through here thick. And I never have to mow this one either because they're in here so heavy.
Wow. This was, yeah, oh my gosh, what a mess this used to be. And I remember we were trying to avoid that. That when I bush hogged, and it was only a foot tall or something, because we had to be careful for that. And yeah, wow, this turned out beautiful.
I'm not satisfied with this clover. I may just tear it up and start again this fall. It just had too many weeds in it and never have been able to get control of it.
Yeah, I helped him plant this in a fall plot.
Yep. And this is more of that plow down clover.
All right.
And these are 6 chestnut trees.
Man, you went all out.
And ladders right up here.
Oh yeah, there it is.
And the island is right
Tucked
there.
in. Nice.
And this is more alfalfa I just planted this spring. Now this clover is looking pretty good.
Yeah, that looks really nice.
But I frost seeded it. And I used the clethodim to get the grass out of here, and I mowed it once already too.
I remember mowing this, and here again, I don't even know if this was here.
Miscanthus?
Either if it was a foot tall, and I got a droney shot where I zoomed out about a mile with the drone. I'll have to dig that up, but I remember bush hogging this, and it was just nasty.
This grass, yep.
Uh-oh.
Turtle?
Oh, I think it's a fawn. What the heck?
No, it's turtle.
No, it's a... Oh yeah, it is. Wow, what a big one. I don't think I've seen this watering hole here.
Well, I wish I could say it's a watering hole. It's a retention area for sewage.
Oh, they don't drink that then, huh? Good thing. Good thing
they
they
still
don't.
go in there and drink it.
I think I took a video of these at the outdoor show this year.
Oh, really? Okay.
I think it's them because it's similar and it was less than $1,000.
Yep. But it's two different companies, Landmark and Redneck Blinds.
Okay. Yeah, I remember this big field.
Yeah, it was Alpha. It's going to get tremendously bigger than that.
This must have been one of the first ones you put in.
That's
this
3 years old.
Wow.
3,000 rhizomes, or pieces of roots, I stuck in the ground myself. 3,000 times the shovel hit the ground and dropped a piece of root in. Yep.
Well, it worked.
That's the only way you can plant them. That's the only way they grow. They're starting to use them for biofuels. They just grow so fast.
Wow.
The nice thing is, see, the deer will come in here and they'll have their several food plots here, but they can't see out into the field. And so they have to come out looking for their does.
Okay.
But this is annual clover, this is regular clover, this is a new plot I put in this spring, clover and chicory. It's doing quite well.
See the chicory, yep. Yeah, either they're devouring it or you cut it, mowed it really short.
They're devouring it.
Wow.
Yep.
Yeah, that's got to be what, 7, 8, 9 foot tall at this campus?
Oh yeah, now it'll be 12 feet tall before it gets done growing this year.
Wow.
There's another one of those blinds.
Oh yeah, I see.
That's going to be a beautiful stand there. And I've just put this into alfalfa right here.
Oh yeah, they are just devouring this. Nice. So what happened again? You got your tractor stuck.
I came out here to bush hog a new trail, and I got my tractor stuck up to the frame, immediately got out, and it rained for 7 days straight afterwards.
Okay.
And then I had a friend of mine come in here with his tractor and try to pull me out, and he got stuck immediately. Having to call the big dogs in, 2 tractors stuck back in the mud. So get the skidder out here and see what we can do. So here we go, we got the skidder back in here, trying to get this guy unstuck. And then from there, you'll see the other tractor over here, and it's stuck. And then we called another fellow with a skidder, and he came in here and he stuck the skidder over a dozen times.
Oh my gosh.
Broke his cable. Now we've got the skidder stuck. It's that bad down in here. He's used a cable to go back to a tree to help pull him out, but he is done stuck. On the skidder 3 times and finally got out.
Wow.
Yep.
So you had three machines stuck, and the skidder was on and off stuck, and he managed to get both you guys out.
Yep.
Oh, nice. Wow. The joys of getting stuck.
Mm-hmm. It's hard to get it to grow.
I remember working on this with Curtis, and
Yep.
I made a channel all the way down there.
Yeah.
Good, beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Meant to be in the great outdoors.
It's doing well.
Yep.
So this is one of those food plots we just allow to be natural for the deer. We don't hunt it. pressure.
Yeah, you used to have, I think, a stand
Right
up
there.
in there the first year.
Yep.
Yeah, I remember this
And
bottom area.
this is where you made the trail coming through here.
Yep. All right, my very first mission here is to cut a new road up to that. You see that opening up there with the light? That's going to be a food plot, and behind me I've cut about 50 feet already, so I'm just picking the thinnest trees here and plucking them, working my way through. All right, just about to punch out the first plot. All right, here's a quick after look of the new trail. It's pretty narrow because I didn't want to spend a whole lot of time on it. It's really just meant to walk from plot to plot for hunting and to get an electric side-by-side through it. So for that, it's just perfect.
Obviously, it's utilized a lot.
Oh yeah, this was the trail I cut. Yeah, that's right, I remember. With the excavator. Oh yeah, it's wet ground down here, huh? Alright, I wanted to show you guys this. You don't need machines, you don't need a lot of money for stuff like this. So this is one of his food plots. Okay, and he's got a new stand up there. And this is just all done by hand, but he laid down a barrier along this whole edge of just branches, you know. So he created himself a pinch point right here down his trail. So now the deer are going to come right up this trail. That's just a little battery powered saw and go to work. I like it, Mark.
It's dried out considerably now, but boy, it was
I
wet.
can imagine.
And that just goes off to a different area as we go through there. That goes out to that other water hole that you did.
All right, beautiful.
We're going to come right back up.
Wow, what an amazing piece of property and job that Mark is doing. People, I'm going to tell you something. Mark is a retired, and I'm a retired law enforcement officer. This just goes to show you that with some diligence, some hard work, YouTube, social media sites, that anyone can really take a piece of property, whether it's 5 acres, 10 acres, 20 or 200 acres. You can actually take it to the next level on your own if you're willing to do the work and get your hands dirty. So this has been a really fun ride already for 4 years now, working with Mark and seeing him basically surpass where I am at right now, which is awesome. Although, Mark, I might make some more food plots this year just for the fun of it. But anyways, people, if you enjoy our content, we try to be very upfront and honest. Please like it and please share it out there, because we share everything with you guys, our successes, our failures, our mistakes, and our achievements, so that you can also learn, just like Mark and I did, to take your properties to the next level and have some serious life enjoyment. So we'll catch you on the next go around. Thanks a ton. I'll catch you next time. See ya.